What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright boys, we are headed out to the super secret location where we get all the Coyote motors for the swap. And the reason we're headed out there is Alex said he's got a couple of trucks that might interest me, and probably going to interest you too. So we gotta go see what's... Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry boys, navigating. So basically, yeah, we need to see what he's got out here. You know, Alex is always up to something, building badass F150s, and so I'm not really sure what we got, but he says I might want to take one with me. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah. All right boys, we are officially at the super secret location. Guys, if you've been following the channel for a while, you know, you already know. Yeah. Oh, I think I see one. All right, let me find Alex. Oh, all right. Alex, you know this is one of my favorite places to go.
Just leave me out. Just leave me out of the video.
Come on, everybody wants to see you in the videos.
Leave me out of the video. This right here, Nick's gonna get it next week.
Ah, that's one of the ones y'all just got?
4,000 miles on it.
4,000 miles?
Cap on it, then you put on new parts.
Damn, what year is this one?
19.
You gonna put a Coyote in it?
No.
No?
No, let somebody want it.
Yeah, but you can do it.
Okay.
Okay.
If they want it.
Okay, so if somebody wanted to buy this truck, but they wanted a Coyote, what's in it now? Like a 3.3 V6. So if somebody wanted you to put a 10-speed in a 3rd gen Coyote, and obviously fixed, what kind of money are we talking? Pretty.
It wouldn't know. I had to check.
Yeah, hard to say.
70s or 80s.
That's right. Oh. Yeah, I like that. It looks just like the bumper.
Bumper and the side swipe to the side.
Wow, you know, freaking, and that's a Mustang color too. So a little bit on the door there. Nothing.
1,600 miles.
1,600 miles. So it's a 20 then.
19.
19.
Something changing? Are people wanting
Dang.
single cab?
Yes.
See, it's got a carpet.
Oh, it does. Okay.
It's a carpet truck.
Now, some folks wouldn't have a single cab. I guess times are changing.
Well, I think, you know, like the sport trucks market is going crazy, and you know, like trucks like these, everybody wants them.
Yes, they'll break tag. That's the one he wants.
I heard him talking about it last weekend, and
Hauling nobody, that's the truck to have.
yeah, and this one's got a V6 in it too.
Yeah, it's a 3.3 also.
3.3 also.
All you got to haul is 3 numbers, 36, 24, 36.
See, this one just needs Gen 3 Coyote, 10-speed. You could do that pretty reasonably.
If they want to get 25 grand.
Yeah. All right, so this red truck, what is it, a 19 you said?
19.
What is it?
It's a 19.
19.
21,000.
Now you already swapped this one though.
Yeah, it's already swapped.
So it was a 3.3 and you
It was
can
a 2.7.
2.7.
Eco was.
So as far as converting it over to Coyote, how much work is that?
On the hood harness, $500 and something. I done this truck in a day.
No.
Yeah, you can't find it.
So it's really just like the engine harness under the hood and.
Yeah, the chain on the hood harness, dash and all the same.
Ha! So if you got the drivetrain, it's pretty much.
Yeah, you just on the hood harness and the engine, transmission, drive shaft.
This thing's clean. Did it have any damage when it come in?
Stuff on the road.
Wow. Yes. Yes. All right. I gotta see what you did under the hood here. There it is. Man, so Gen 3 and 10 speed.
Swap computer, swap the on-the-hood harness, and that's it.
Wow.
Get in there, everything else matches right up. Same radiator, everything.
Wow. So Ford actually makes it fairly simple to change this around. Man, I'm already seeing, like, take the running boards off, lower it, wheels, tires, paint match a few things, boom. All right, guys, so we'll take this down the road real quick, just kind of see how it does. But essentially, guys, the story is he's got 3 of these trucks now, regular cab short beds. And again, this truck came factory with a V6, and he's already converted it to 5.0 and 10 speed using all OE parts. Let me buckle up here so we can drive and not hear dings. So this truck has 20,000 miles on it. It's a 19. Let's see how she does here. Oh yeah, that thing freaking moves. God bless. Like I said, and I will have contact info in the description of this video. Let me just go ahead and say on the front end, do not try and contact if you're not actually serious about a truck. This is also a business, and they don't have time for people that aren't serious. But he can essentially do anything you want as far as putting the Coyote and the 10 speed and the 2-wheel drive, color match bumpers, pretty much anything, tint the windows, whatever. So pretty much the sky's the limit. And you've seen some of the other builds that we've showcased that Alex did on the channel, and he does exceptional work. I mean, he builds these trucks from a frame, and basically picked up a couple more of these regular cab short wheelbase trucks because they're so freaking popular. I mean, these things are blowing up. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is the stuff that they build typically. These are the stuff, the stuff that sells more, the 4-door trucks, and you can see there's 2 more out there. But essentially, you see like this XLT, I'm not sure if it's unlocked or not. No, but the Sync 3, the big screens and all that people want. Oh, this one's open. Like all of this stuff that you can't get in a regular cab short bed, he can put all that. He has done twice all this stuff, and it's a pretty freaking cool option. You can do the console shifter, you can do the Sync 3. I mean, all the stuff that you can get in the big 4-door trucks that everybody wants, that for some reason Ford won't put in these regular cab short bed trucks. They can do it up to and including the 10 speed and the Coyote in a truck that typically would have a V6. I mean, you can see this one has the rubber floor mats and the tiny radio and all that stuff. Still a super cool truck, and will still freaking move out. But again, a lot of people want some of the stuff that's in this truck to put in this truck, and Alex can do that. All right, boys, so one quick note. This truck actually does match my car, and yeah, it matches a car. All right, guys, and so like I was saying, if you look out here, you can see why I say they can put anything and everything you want in one of these trucks. I mean, those are all wheels, cabs, bumpers, doors, and then of course they've got these here sitting here waiting to be fixed. And then again, like I said, If you want it switched over to a Coyote and a 10-speed, well, let's just walk. There's 1, 2, let's see, 3, and then 4. What else? How many more we got back here? 5. Yeah. So clearly, and then you got 6 R80s, 10 speeds, EcoBoost. It's nuts. So again, like I said, if you want it done, he can definitely do it. All right, guys, and I'm gonna blow your mind again. You come back here, you can see even freaking more. All cabs down there. I'm pretty sure those are all stripped down, but they're actually in the process of trying to clean everything up and organize a little bit. You can see right here, these are all frames. Come down here and check out some of these frames. But I mean, literally anything and everything that you would want to put on your F-150, it's pretty freaking nuts. I think these are all pretty well junk. But also, guys, like when Alex does some of the trucks he pulls the rear ends that have the locker differentials, electronic locker diffs with the good gears and all that, and obviously drops those in there too. So whoo, so much cool stuff out here, guys. I'm telling you, I could just hang out here all day and look at parts. Oh geez, look at this freaking thing. I don't think this thing even has any miles on it. Another Gen 3 Coyote and 10 speed attached to it. Some good interior stuff there. Guys, I'm telling you, and I've said it before, you are not a real man if you don't get excited walking around a freaking junkyard. This really technically isn't a junkyard, but crazy. And you see, guys, like these wheels here, put 4 of these with a lower profile tire on that truck, it'll look freaking sick. Even more wheel options over here. Even some custom wheels. Yeah, it's crazy. And more wheels. See, there's another set of those factory Sport 20s. Color matched bumpers. It's absolutely crazy how many trucks are out here. All right, guys, so I just showed you this engine. And how many miles are on this?
8,000.
8,000 miles, and you've got a 1,300 mile 10 speed 2-wheel drive, because that's 4x4.
Yeah.
And so you can put that right in the Velocity Blue truck. What are we looking at for something like that?
25.
Not 25? That's crazy. And that truck has no miles on it either.
1,600.
It's like, man, how could you not, you know? Yeah, I need that. So I'm going to put contact information below. And like I said, if you're serious, the white truck over here, the red truck is still for sale. And the Velocity Blue truck, you can get the Velocity Blue truck like it is, or pay a little extra and put something good in it. God. Yeah. Was there anything left of this truck? Damn.
Frame section, no saying with that.
Jeez. Probably didn't have any miles on it either, did it?
Ain't no telling. You look at the manifold and tell what kind of truck that was. Look at the motor.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they had this thing off road. It's a Gen 3 though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Gen 3.
18 miles. Yeah. That's one kid for the core.
God. I like junkyards.
Just see the oil pan off of it. That's all. I think that's the only thing good on it is the oil pan.
Yeah, everything else is freaking melted.
Look how the drive shaft is exploded.
Damn.
They're falling field.
Unreal. Yeah, I'm telling you, I definitely think Coyote and 10 speed in this bad boy.
Yeah. That's gonna be the.
You could go swap out that STX grill too while it's out there. Oh, I know, them damn things are high. Man. But see, the cool thing about this one is the bumpers are already color matched. Take them paw steps off. And,
Farmer Brown,
right. Yeah. But I mean, other than that, this thing is in great shape. Already got, was that spraying? No, it's just drop-in bed liner. But yeah, this thing's. So what'd you say about 25, 26 on this one with a Coyote, Alex?
With a Coyote.
There you go, guys. So, if you're serious, again, I'm putting contact information below. 2-wheel drive, sport model, Velocity Blue. This is a 20. 19. I was getting wrong. So, yeah, guys, there you go. It can have a 10.3 and a 10-speed. God, you're killing me, Alex. I'll just swap the diesel and just, yeah. We'll just call it good. And I can put a Gen 5 Whipple on it and those Shelby wheels like you got on yours. Yeah, okay. I probably need to stop, but all right, boys, so that is the situation. Had to do this. Alex has got 3 trucks. Red, 4x4, white. The white one's 2-wheel drive?
2-wheel drive.
The white one's 2-wheel drive, and this 19 right here is 2-wheel drive. And he can put the 10-speed and the Coyote in it. So, again, if you're serious, if you're not dreaming, hit him up below. Talk about some options, pricing, stuff like that. He'll get you taken care of. And you know Alex is not messing around. He does this for a living, and these trucks are primo. So, do not be surprised if once I come up out of the project car mire that I'm in, I'll have one too. So, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And we'll catch you on the next one.